Are you aware that the Java programming language remains highly relevant in today's technology landscape? Java has been instrumental in the development of robust applications, which explains why many educational institutions have incorporated it into their curriculum. Hello, I'm Shantanu Kurmakar. I have been teaching programming for the last 10 years, and in addition to that, I have 25 years of working experience with well-known IT houses. I'm currently offering an online course on Python, and I'm excited to announce that I'll soon be launching a similar course on Java. Classes will be held on Fridays and Sundays at 8 p.m., starting from April 5, 2024. If you're intrigued by this versatile programming language and eager to enhance your skills and comprehension, this course could be exactly what you're seeking. Similar to the previous one, this course is also for those students who have no background in writing programs. Here are several compelling reasons why you should consider enrolling in this course. 1. This course is designed for individuals with no prior programming experience. 2. It comprehensively covers the fundamental concepts of core Java programming, including techniques for designing and writing efficient programs. 3. All classes are conducted on Zoom, and programming sessions will utilize the Eclipse IDE with demonstrations provided through screen sharing. 4. Classes are recorded for your convenience, and videos will be shared in the WhatsApp group along with accompanying notebooks. 5. Despite the extensive content and resources provided, the course fee is exceptionally reasonable at just Rs 490 per month. Enrollment is available by paying the monthly fee in advance. 6. Should you decide to withdraw from the course at any point, you are free to do so, with a refund of the remaining fees for the month. Additionally, this channel features sample class videos on specific topics conducted by me. Individual classes can also be arranged upon request. Please reach out to me directly for further details. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new courses and offerings. Thank you for considering this opportunity.